Lastly, the biosphere. The only sphere that contains living organisms, okay? This is the only sphere that contains the living part of the Earth. So it extends from anywhere between 8 to 10 kilometers above sea level to a few meters below the soil. Okay, so a few meters down into the soil. So life in water occurs at various depths up to about 3 kilometers down. Okay, so life can still exist 3 kilometers underneath the surface of the water. And in the biosphere, there's an interaction between life and the material from the other 3 non-living zones. So the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, and the atmosphere. So for instance, me as a human, I go and breathe air from the atmosphere. I, plant my crops in the lithosphere. And then I go and extract water from the hydrosphere for me to drink. So you can see that I'm interacting with all 3 of the spheres just by living, okay? Similarly, other organisms do other things. So for instance, bacteria that live in the soil live off the nutrients in the soil, so the lithosphere. They absorb nitrogen from the atmosphere, and they absorb water, obviously, from the hydrosphere. Okay, so you can see that all these interactions happen between all 4 of the spheres. Okay? So the majority of life forms exist in which of these spheres or the mantle? And it's pretty obvious from what I just said that it's the biosphere, because the other 3 are all non-living. So the answer is D.